Hey there, young geniuses! Have you ever fantasized about bringing your very own robot to life? Well, guess what? Your dreams are about to become a reality. Today, we're going to unravel the mysteries of constructing a simple robot and crafting code to make it spring into action. Step 1. Assemble your arsenal to kickstart your robot building extravaganza. You'll need a handful of essential tools. 1. A mind-blowing robotics kit. Think Lego Mindstorms, Vex, or even a nifty DIY kit. 2. A sleek computer or tablet to bring your code to life. 3. A kick-ass coding platform like Scratch, Blockly, or the app that comes with your robotics kit. And hey, if you don't have a robotics kit, fret not. You can still flex your coding muscles with free online tools like Scratch or Code.org. These gems allow you to conjure up animations and games, setting the stage for an epic journey. Step 2. Construct your robot. If you've got your hands on a kit, dive headfirst into assembling your robotic companion. Most kits come equipped with motors, wheels, sensors, and a brain referred to as a microcontroller that pulls all the strings. Picture it as building with Lego blocks, only way cooler because your creation is about to come to life. Pro tip: start with something simple, like a robot that can zoom forward and backward. You can always jazz things up later with extra features like arms or sensors that can detect light or obstacles. Step 3. Script your first code. Now comes the exhilarating part: coding. Coding is akin to feeding your robot a set of mind-blowing instructions to follow. Most robotics kits utilize block-based coding, where you simply drag and drop blocks to create commands. It's like cracking a code. Once your code is good to go, connect your robot to the computer or tablet, upload the program, and witness the magic unfold before your very eyes. Step 4. Experiment and elevate your robot. Nail the moves you had in mind. If not, no sweat. Coding is all about experimentation and evolution. Tweak the code to make your robot zip around faster, bust a move, or even groove to the beat. You can also introduce sensors to make it react to its surroundings, like putting the brakes on when it encounters an obstacle or tracing a path on the ground. Step 5. Unleash your creativity. Now that you've mastered the basics, it's time to unleash your creativity. Can you train your robot to sketch a masterpiece, jam out a tune, conquer a labyrinth? Exploring the realms of robotics and coding isn't just a hoot, it's also incredibly invaluable. It equips you with problem-solving skills, logical thinking, and the ability to collaborate as a team. Who knows? Perhaps one fine day, you'll create a robot that revolutionizes the world, ventures into the cosmos, or even comes to the rescue of our beloved planet. Would you fancy diving deeper into any specific segment of the tutorial or craving more details? Let me know!